this is Paravi and Mr. Said and me. We are teammate and we do Facebook ads, Google ads, and all type of digital marketing related work. Recently, our team member Mr. Said has audited your YouTube channel and found some YouTube growth and optimizations related issues. So if you can fix that problem, definitely your channel possible to grow. So if you're interested, then we'll go ahead.
Okay, I think I put up 2 job posting today. I put one up for advertising and one for YouTube growth, YouTube thumbnails. So I assumed you were calling about the Facebook ads. I'm looking to grow the YouTube channel, but right now my main focus is trying to get sales from my digital products. That is
Yeah,
my main focus.
Yeah, definitely we can help you because we work for Facebook ads, Google ads, and all type of digital marketing related work. So if you want, we can run an effective Facebook ads, Google ads for your business, and we can generate more sales and increase your online visibility through Facebook ads and Google ads.
Okay, we have generated sales. Obviously, we generated 5 sales, so it's not like we've not generated nothing and that the product is a fail. Uh, It's just that maybe it needs the right advertising to go to the right people that will purchase it, rather than focusing on people who don't really want to, who are interested in my content. They don't mind a free guide, but they're not going to pay for a guide. So that's where I'm
Okay,
trying
I
to
see.
talk.
First, we should start with the Facebook ads, and then if needs, then we'll move for the Google ads. And how much is budget? And you just send us an documents like you targeted gender, targeted people, targeted audience, and targeted locations, and how much is your daily budget for this meta ads. Then you send to us, then we will run a targeted base Facebook ads for your niche based ads. And then do you have Facebook ads or we need to run ads from our Facebook ads?
So I've got a Facebook ad account set up and everything, but I don't know how to set up the pixels and all of that stuff
Okay, no
with my
problem.
Shopify.
Okay,
So
no
that's something
problem. Yeah, we can set up very effectively Facebook pixels for your Shopify website. And we also need your Facebook ads account access. Then we'll run the ad and then everything you can watch from your Facebook ad account. And further thing, what we need, we will send you an documents, what we need from you. Then you just give access to us. Then we'll start working for you.
Okay. And well, I mean, how confident do you feel? You know, looking at the content, looking at the product itself, how confident do you feel? And again, like I said, these are very thorough guides. They're not just AI slop. They're very good guides. They're very thorough. The Qatar travel hack is like 90 pages long with everything you would need basically to travel Qatar. You wouldn't need to look at anything else. And the same with the relocation. It's got CV advice in there. It's got how to navigate the job market, and then it's more so focused on once you move, what there is to do. Uh, like you need to do service your car. Where do you go? You need to, all those things that you have to do when you move to a new country. So it's a thorough guide. So again, like obviously with your impression of what you have seen so far, do you think there's potential? Do you think I'm wasting my time and maybe I should move on to a different product?
Yeah, I see. So definitely you will get good amount of results, but we can't predict right now. We at least we run one of your ad, you judge the result, and we set up pixels for your website. And if you think that you are satisfied, then we will go for the long time. No problem.
Okay.
Primarily, we will set up an pixels, meta pixels for your website, and we will run an Facebook ads. Then ad budget is depends on you how much budget you will give. Then we will run according to your budget, but our ad creation search and pixel setup search is 40 USD.
40 USD.
Yeah, we will set up an pixels and we will audit your YouTube channel and we will run an Facebook ads, all included 40 USD.
Okay.
Okay, so
Right.
what we need, we will send you an docs. Then you just provide the things. Then we will start working for you, and further communication will grow through our Gmail.
Okay.
So further communication will go through your Gmail, and if I need anything to, then we will ask for you. And if you need anything to know, ask to our team member. No problem.
No problem. That's fine.
Okay,
Thank you
so
very
thanks
much.
for your time. Bye bye.
No problem. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.